Alright, picture this. You see a car cruising down the street, maybe roaring or maybe just humming quietly. But how does it actually move? Let's break it down step by step. First up, it all starts with the engine. That's the heart of the car. When you press the gas pedal, you're basically telling the engine, let's go. The engine takes fuel, usually gasoline or electricity, and turns it into power. For a gas engine, it burns fuel inside little cylinders, causing tiny explosions that push pistons up and down. For electric cars, it's a bit different, but the goal is the same. Spin something called a crankshaft. Now, the crankshaft is like the translator between the engine and the rest of the car. It turns that up and down motion into spinning, but your car can't just take off from 0 to 60 in a single leap, right? That's where the transmission comes in. Think of this as the car's gear shifter. It controls how much power gets sent to the wheels, more for starting, less for cruising. So how does your car move forward and backward? That's the magic of the transmission and a piece called the differential. When you put your car in drive, the transmission tells the wheels to spin forwards. When you switch to reverse, it changes the direction of that spin. When you switch to reverse, it changes the direction of that spin. The wheels grip the road, and thanks to friction, the car rolls forward or backward. Pretty cool, right? The transmission and differential send that power to the wheels, converting engine spin into wheel spin. So the car actually moves. But wait, if roads were perfectly smooth, that might be enough. But they're not. That's where suspension comes in. Imagine hitting a big pothole without any suspension. Yikes! Good traction and controlled power delivery keep you safe and in control. When suspension and drivetrain work together, tires stay planted. That contact patch is everything for grip. Parts under the car, control arms, axles, differentials, do a lot of hidden work. They manage direction, torque split, and wheel speed differences. The differential lets wheels turn at different speeds when you corner. And while drivetrain moves the car, suspension keeps everything under control. Next time you hop into a car, you'll know exactly what's happening under the hood and beneath your seat. Cars might seem complicated, but break it down. Suspension is a system of springs, shock absorbers, and linkages that connects the wheels to the car's body. It softens bumps, keeps the tires in contact with the road, and makes your ride way smoother. Keeping the tire on the road is key for control and safety. Good suspension keeps weight balanced during turns and bumps, so you don't feel every single bump along the way. So, to sum it up, the engine makes power, the transmission and differential send that power to the wheels, and the suspension keeps everything comfy and under control. It's all about turning fuel or electricity into motion and making sure you don't feel every single bump along the way. Next time you hop into a car, you'll know exactly what's happening under the hood and beneath your seat. Cars might seem complicated, but break it down. Thanks for sticking around, and keep your curiosity rolling.